Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A cozy, vibrant entryway. Rustic brick walls with hanging plants in woven baskets and terracotta pots. Large palm tree and other leafy plants fill the space, creating a lush, tropical feel. A large, wooden, live-edge bench sits on a warm brown hardwood floor. On top of the bench, a couple of patterned throw pillows and a dark, sculptural object. A round mirror reflects the brick walls and part of the street outside. An area rug with vibrant geometric patterns in terracotta, orange, and brown complements the natural wood tones. A dark gray entryway door contrasts with the brick and wood elements. Small wooden boxes and planters are displayed on the floor. A spacious, light-filled atrium, hyper-realistic in style. Large windows on all sides provide abundant natural light, illuminating a central garden courtyard filled with lush greenery including tall trees and various plants. The flooring is a polished gray concrete, reflecting the light and creating a clean, modern aesthetic. Several low, comfortable, light beige/cream-colored outdoor seating lounges are strategically placed amongst the planters. The planters are rectangular concrete boxes, matching the neutral concrete floor, providing definition for the garden areas. The building structure is a mix of exposed metal beams and supports, light beige/tan walls, and accents of dark gray/brown. A sunny home office corner, hyper-realistic style. Wooden desk with drawers, a modern dark gray chair, and a beige computer. Many potted plants, including ferns, cacti, and larger leafy plants, line the desk and windowsill. The walls are a muted dark gray-green, framed with wooden picture frames that house botanical prints and maps. Sunlight streams through the window, casting dramatic shadows on the desk and wooden surfaces. The floor is a light, golden brown wood plank. A woven area rug sits beneath the desk. The overall color palette is warm, inviting, and natural, with the plants providing the main accent colors of green, and the wood tones creating a balance. A modern, hyper-realistic kitchen island with a built-in hydroponic garden. Wooden, curved, light brown form with dark gray countertop and interior lighting. Fresh vegetables, tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, leafy greens, are displayed on a tray on the countertop's top level. Beneath, a series of recessed planters hold various herbs and vegetables, lit from underneath by an orange-yellow glow. White plates, bowls and glasses are visible in the lower recessed area. The kitchen has a concrete, gray-toned backsplash and wood cabinetry. Natural light enters from windows in the background. Plants and greenery are incorporated throughout the design, including potted plants in the background and herbs growing in the planters. A serene, indoor garden oasis. A covered patio with large windows overlooking a lush green garden. Two wicker egg-shaped hanging chairs, light beige/tan wicker, are positioned on a bed of light brown pebbles. A waterfall cascading down a wall of dark gray/black volcanic rocks creates a soothing ambience. Plants, including ferns, large tropical leaves, and small flowering plants, are strategically placed around the space. Warm, ambient lighting highlights the waterfall and plants, suggesting a spa-like or relaxation area. Dark gray/black stone pavers form a pathway and floor. The overall aesthetic is tranquil, impressionistic, and inviting with natural elements, suggesting a tropical or Indonesian-inspired design. A meticulously crafted miniature Zen garden. Hyper-realistic, detailed moss garden with large, sculpted stones and flowing water features, lush green moss covering rocks and creating a tranquil atmosphere. Variety of greenery, including small bonsai trees, ferns, and other plants. Russet, gray and brown stones of varying sizes, used as stepping stones and to define the garden's landscape. Small, gray stones and gravel creates the garden's base. Soft, warm lighting illuminates the scene, emphasizing the textures and colors. Setting is an indoor space, with a modern minimalist backdrop of light wood panels and large windows. A spacious, light-filled bathroom with a large window showcasing a lush, tropical garden. The room is decorated with natural elements and warm tones. Wooden cabinetry, a stone countertop, and a white oval bathtub are prominent features. A large potted plant sits in the corner, next to the bathtub, complementing the greenery visible through the window. The window frames are dark metal, contrasting with the pale green walls and the warm wood tones. The floor is a light brown hardwood. A beige woven basket is placed near the bathtub. A glass-fronted wall sconce with a warm amber light is placed on the wall. A towel rack and a vase of dried pampas grass add a touch of rustic charm. A spacious, light-filled farmhouse kitchen with a tranquil outdoor view. Impressionistic style, with soft, natural light highlighting the warm, neutral color palette. White shaker cabinets, a large marble island with a subtle veining pattern, and a distressed wood plank wall, accented by potted herbs and greenery. The backsplash is a mix of white cabinetry and brick. Large windows with dark gray frames overlook a deck and lush backyard greenery. A set of French doors are beautifully framed by a dark gray metal grid. Rustic pendant lights hang from the ceiling, showcasing a mix of glass and metal details. A stainless steel range and appliances blend seamlessly into the overall aesthetic. A meticulously detailed, hyper-realistic miniature landscape terrarium. A large, dark gray, organic, flowing wood-like base sculpted into a stylized, abstract form. Within the hollowed-out base is a clear glass display area showcasing a miniature landscape with small, meticulously arranged plants, mosses, and rocks that evoke a Zen garden aesthetic. The plants include varieties of greenery, ferns, moss, small trees, and shrubs. The rocks vary in size and shade of gray, creating textures and depth. Small, decorative, golden bronze lanterns with lit candles are positioned on the interior glass display shelves and among the rocks and plants, adding warmth and a sense of tranquility. A cozy, light-filled bedroom, styled in a natural bohemian aesthetic. Impressionistic style, depicting a bedroom with large windows letting in soft sunlight, casting a warm glow on the scene. Beige, cream, and light brown tones dominate, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. A round woven straw wall hanging, large and prominent, adds a focal point. The bed, with a light beige duvet and throw, sits centrally. Wooden nightstands with small plants and bowls sit next to the bed. Various potted plants, featuring lush green foliage and suspended in woven baskets, are placed strategically throughout the room, creating a vibrant and tropical feel. A spacious, sun-drenched living room featuring a light beige sectional sofa with tan wicker poufs. Hanging plants cascade from the ceiling, adding a touch of lush greenery over the light beige walls. A round, light beige pendant lamp hangs over the sofa. Several potted plants, various shades of green, sit on the windowsill, which is a light grayish tan color. The hardwood floor is a medium brown. The overall aesthetic is bohemian, relaxed, and airy, with a soft, warm light. Impressionistic, but with a focus on realistic details of textures and light, high-quality render. Include warm, natural light filtering through the large window. A modern, open-plan indoor-outdoor space, designed in a minimalist style. Spacious concrete structure with large sliding glass doors opening to a lush, green interior garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Gray concrete walls and floors with natural stone accents. Warm, golden lighting highlights the scene, casting soft shadows. Plants of various types, including palm trees, fill the space, creating a tropical atmosphere. A dining area with a light brown wooden table and simple, upholstered gray seating is centrally located. A modern kitchen area is visible through the glass, with sleek gray cabinetry and countertops. Natural materials are prominent throughout.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.